No. This is my bed, and I'm never gonna get out of it.
No.
Okay, so I want to see if y'all know this song. Ready? We're gonna do a little game with our names, and it's gonna go with the song. It's gonna go to the song. It goes like this. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. All right, so now what I want you to do, I'm going to call your name, and I want you to tell me an animal that starts with your name. Okay?
Okay.
So instead of saying Mary, we're going to say Ari or Jalea. Okay? So Ari, do you know a animal that starts with your name? You want to say anteater? That's the only one I can think of with an A. Oh, how about alligator?
No.
Anteater?
Yes.
All right. Ari had an anteater, anteater, anteater. Ari had an anteater, anteater. It followed her around. It couldn't eat you because you're not an ant. Jalea, what letter does your name start with?
Jalea.
Okay, Janaya, what letter does your name start with? Push your microphone. Yeah. What does your name start with, Janaya?
What is this?
Janaya starts with J.
J.
Okay. J, can you think of an animal that starts with J? How about jaguar? Jaguar. Janaya had a jaguar. 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 Janaya had a jaguar that followed her around. Anaya, can you think of something that starts with your, what letter does your name start with? A, and can you think of another? Do you want to do alligator?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm thinking that someone's name starts with a J. You said say giraffe.
You were thinking of what now?
I was thinking as Jolia's name starts with J, so
J.
her name, so her or she
Oh, because it does start with the J sound. You're right. You're right. That's a good one. Well, keep thinking it because Jalea also starts with that sound. Good listening to the sounds. What do you want to say for Anaya? Do you want to say alligator? Anaya had an alligator, alligator, alligator. Anaya had an alligator. It followed her around. We probably can't follow them into the ultrasound room. Brooklyn, what letter does your name start with?
B.
B. Yeah, yes. Yeah, I hear you, Anaya. Did you have to turn off your video because you're in there with your mom?
Yeah.
Okay, bear. Brooklyn had a bear, a bear. How about a brown bear? That'll make it longer. Brooklyn had a brown bear, brown bear, brown bear. Brooklyn had a brown bear. It followed her around. And there's King.
Can I see a Brooklyn?
You can scroll across the top of your screen to see Brooklyn. I can't fix it so you can see Brooklyn.
And I don't know what to do.
Do you see at the top of the screen there is pictures, and then there are arrows. Click on the arrows and you can look at all the kids. Okay?
I done that.
Francisco, what letter does your name start with?
I can't do it.
You can, F. Can you think of an animal that starts with F, like Francisco? A fish?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't do Miss Bams. I can't do it.
Okay, can you wait till the end and we'll let everybody be back on screen, okay? Okay. Yes, just a minute, Anaya. We're gonna sing Francisco. You ready? Francisco had a fish, a fish, a fish. Francisco had a fish. It followed him around. James is not on yet. Jalea, are you ready to sing one?
He coming on.
Jalea, are you ready to sing one? Okay, Jalea's still hiding. King,
James is coming though.
King, I know. King, what letter do you start with? King starts with K. So King, do you want to sing King had a kangaroo or King had a kitten?
That him spelling.
King is spelling his name. Yes, it is.
Hey,
Good job, King. All right, let's sing King had a kangaroo. King had a kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. King had a kangaroo. It followed him around. And James, we're singing a song with the animals that start the same as our name. Can you think of an animal that starts the same as James? James? Anaya thought of something, it doesn't start with J, but it sounds like J. She thought of giraffe. But there's an animal that starts with J that I can think of called a jaguar. Would you like to sing that one? You want to sing jaguar? James had a jaguar, jaguar, jaguar. James had a jaguar, it followed him around.
You don't have a dog.
What?
You don't have a dog.
I'm doing a song with everybody's name and something that starts the same as their name.
Mom,
So,
come here.
Miss Potomi, do you want to think of something that starts with like Potomi?
If I switch the door, hello.
What does Potomi start with?
No.
You're on mute.
I didn't am, but
Penguin.
oh no.
Miss Potomi starts with P and she thought of penguin. Ready? Miss Potomi had a penguin, penguin, penguin. Miss Potomi had a penguin. It followed her around. Miss Ramsey, can you think of one that you want to say for Ramsey? What does Ramsey start with?
Now with the eye.
That's right. Oh, good. Ari, good job. It starts with R.
Job.
Yeah. And let's see. Miss Ramsey, can you think of an animal you want to have that starts
I
with
can
R?
hear you, Jalea.
Rabbit.
Oh, Miss Ramsey wants to have a rabbit. Miss
I want to
Ramsey
have a
had
rabbit too.
rabbit, rabbit. Miss Ramsey had a rabbit. It followed her around. Miss Cheetah, do you want to tell one that starts the same as your name?
A cheetah.
Cheetah. Miss Cheatham had a cheetah. Miss Cheatham had a cheetah. 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 Miss Cheatham had a cheetah. Followed her around.
Mom, give my body.
I'm gonna do span too, okay?
Okay.
Give my hair.
I'm gonna do span. S starts with S. I guess I'm gonna go with snake. Miss
The what
Span had Miss Snake. Miss Span had a snake. A snake. A snake. Miss Span had a snake. It followed her around. Okay, friends. Today is Ari's first day on Zoom, and so we're going to turn off the recording and put everybody back so everybody can see each other and we can talk for a minute if you want to. Okay. So I'm just turning off our recording and we'll say goodbye in a minute.